Hey guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to see how to organize purses or wallets. So let's get started. So the main thing we're going to need is this thing. So you could get this at the Dollar Tree. It's very portable, so you could just fold this like this and just do this. And it's ready to go. So this is what you need. You could get it in Dollar Tree. If you can't find this, you could always just cut a cardboard box at the top and you're ready to go. So as you can see, there's many bags here. That's what we're gonna organize today. So I have this thing. So if you don't have this, you could always get this in Dollar Tree that you could just, so here's the purses we're gonna organize. And you could fit this anywhere, just in a cupboard, or you could just plop this in a cupboard and you could just pull. And if I want this black purse, I'm just gonna pick this out and voila, here you go. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.